Well, we are here in a street in Freiberg am Neckar, and yeah, we went for a walk. Look what I have found here. It's a bike repair station. We've got all sorts of tools. Look, this is to put the tire. If the tires come out or if the tire has been taken away. We've got an Allen key. We've got spanners hanging out. We've got star screwdriver. Another star screwdriver. No, sorry, normal one. And Allen key set. Yeah, with all different sizes. My son just found out how it works. To pump the air into the tire or the tube. Oh, nice.
Okay.
Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.